Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project. So let's get started. I'm using this mixed media paper, then fluid matte medium, and some napkins, then jelly print paper. So I'm going to tear first the napkin, and I'm going to use the brush and the water, and it's easier to tear like this. And then I'm going to use this fluid matte medium, and I'm going to use that as a glue. And then I'm going to tear some more pieces and add it in different areas. Then this is a different napkin. I'm going to do the same way. So now I'm using this jelly print paper. Now I'm using this jelly paper which I did this scribbling. It blends very well with the background. This is a very simple project, and it is from one of the series I'm doing. This is like a fifth project. Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm using this watercolor paints, and I'm going to add it and then blend it together. going to dry it. Then I'm going to stamp this. This is from Stampers Anonymous. Then I'm going to add some more stamps. And from the same stamp, I'm using this kind of like a text stamp. You can use any stamp in this. Then I'm going to dry everything again. Now I'm using this Neo color crayons, and I'm going to just do some markings. And now I'm using some gesso and blending it together. Then I'm going to darken the edges. I'm using black Derwent pencil. I'm going to dry everything. Then I'm using this black acrylic archival, no, acrylic ink, sorry. Acrylic ink, and I'm splattering on the top. And then I'm going to dry it. And I'm going to see which one will be the right one for this background. And then I'm going to put that as a focal point. So I'm going to use this as a focal point. So this finishes my project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.